we are going to be vlogging today because I actually have quite a few new beauty things to share, including these $40 extensions. If you are new, my name is Deandra and I post lots of fashion and beauty content. I'm starting to do more casual vlogs as well. If you enjoy it here, hit the subscribe button down below. Let's get some lipstick on because I got a new lip combo. This is the Revlon Super Lustrous lipstick in the color Pearl Rose and Shine. I'm excited to try this one because it is actually like a pearly lipstick, so it's gonna give me some shine without having to wear lip gloss. For the lip liner, I'm doing the IRL Filter Finish Lip Definer in Americano Brown by Makeup Revolution. Okay, wow. I'm loving this color. I love that this is a retractable lip liner. I can't stand having to carry around a sharpener, and a lot of times I forget mine, and so I'm like scratching up my lips trying to get lip liner on. It sucks. I feel like it's very similar to my favorite ColourPop one, which is BFF3. I have two of these and I carry one with me at all times in my bag. The Makeup Revolution is the one on the bottom and it has more of a warmer undertone. The BFF3 has more of a neutral undertone. I feel like the Makeup Revolution is definitely gonna become a favorite. It's very close to my current favorite. Now for the lip color. Ooh, I like this. It's kind of sheer, but it blended my lip liner all together. Yay! Because sometimes it's hard buying lipsticks online, you know? You never really get the same color that you think you are. I also quickly want to mention this Grande Lash MD Lash Enhancing Serum. I've been using it on my lashes every night. My short straight lashes are looking so good. I mean, I know they're not the longest lashes in the world, but the Grande Lash Serum definitely made a huge improvement in how my lashes look. You can put this on an Amazon subscribe and save and set it out for like 6 months because the big tube is like a 6-month supply, and it'll give you like an extra 5% off without having to wait for a sale or anything like that. One more thing before I do my hair, I want to show you my eyeliner stamps because I literally use them every day, and I get these on Amazon. They're the iMethod Beauty. I just take the stamp like that and then perfect it a little and voila. So easy. Sometimes I even do the inner corner. I love it. It makes my life so much easier. Now for these extensions, I just tried them on last night. I haven't worn them around, so I am gonna wear them around today and see if they tangle up and stuff, but I only got a set of 50 grams because I didn't necessarily want length in my hair, but I did want some fullness. Look at that color match. It did come in 3 wefts, one with 3 clips, which is what I use first on the bottom. I kind of cut it into a V. I just go up maybe like an inch. I'm gonna apply both right on top of each other, so I'm gonna get as close to this one as I can. Then I just added the second 4-piece weft right on top. Now I'm gonna go in with some heat protectant. This one's by HSI. It's the Argan Oil Thermal Protector. It has a ton of reviews on Amazon and it has like 4.8 stars. I think the reviews are like 20,000 or something crazy like that. Now I'm gonna use the Beach Waver to just quickly put a curl in them. My heat is at 350. I have actually done a full first impressions and wear test on the Beach Waver on YouTube. It's in my hair playlist. I do have a coupon code as well. Look at that blend. I just went ahead and curled the top section exactly how I curled the bottom. Okay, now I'm just gonna use this Kenra Dry Texture Spray. Look at those results though. It definitely gave me like an inch of length, but that color is perfect. I feel like you cannot even see it. There's the back. We'll see how they wear throughout the day. Before I go, I wanted to show y'all my OOTD. This is the V-neck ribbed sweater that I got from Walmart recently. I just posted a new Walmart fashion haul. These are the Levi's 721s. I love these because they are the perfect length for me. I'm 5'1", I am petite, and I didn't have to alter these or anything. They look good with heels, tennis shoes, flat sandals. Just got this new bag in. I'll leave the link in the description box. Y'all, this was such a good price. It's so good. I've been using it every single day since I got it. These Amazon gold frame sunglasses. I need to grab these in the black frame as well, but yeah, there is my OOTD.
I am Jace, and this is my brother Brayden. Hi! And today I'm eating my favorite candy, Skittles!
Ooh, Skittles.
Right now we are at Sonic. This is my mom, Deandra.
Can I get a medium Dr. Pepper
And
vanilla and cream?
and back there is my sister Ellie, and who's at work is my father Josh.
2 grilled cheese kids meals with a cherry limeade. My Sonic Dr. Pepper with vanilla and cream is so good. It's my favorite go-to drink at Sonic, and I've been getting it since I was like a sophomore in high school. Never gets old. I got Josh hooked on it too. The boys do like their cherry limeades though. Now for the test.
What? Adios.
That hits every single time with a cheese stick.
Oh.
Y'all back away so we can go to Walmart. We're back. I did some damage at Walmart, but we found some really cute clothes for Ellie and some swim trunks for Jace. I also had a lot of luck at Ross in the home decor section. It's all like really big stuff, so I think I'm gonna just show you those as clips around the house so you can kind of see how I put it all together. I'm organizing all these clothes so that I can show them what I got, because like Walmart lets us keep the, yeah, this is cute, right? Look at this one.
Is that like a little mermaid outfit?
It's a 3-piece set.
Oh, that's nice.
Brayden picked out these tank tops.
Nice.
I guess I'll just show y'all while I show you. Okay, so Brayden picked out these tank tops. 2-pack dinosaur palm print, $7.98. Little Mermaid swimsuit, $16.98. She ripped the tag off of this one because she wanted to wear it as soon as we got home. $13.98 for this one. Y'all know I'm obsessed with this color right now, and Walmart has a lot of it. Do you have something?
Yeah, like
It's in your hand. I didn't even notice.
It's a box. I just wanted to show you. I just went and put it in my fridge. I didn't even know that Modelo came out with flavors. It's a variety pack. They have Naranja.
Naranja, that's orange.
How do you say? Picosa?
Picosa.
Picosa.
Ooh.
Mango and chili. Limon.
Sal.
And Piña.
Piña. Picante.
Piña picante.
Ooh, it's their chilada mix. I'm excited. Which one are you gonna bring me?
I'm probably. Which one do you want? Because they
I
all
want
look
to
good.
try the pineapple. The orange sounds good
This
too,
one?
though.
I'm about to try this one. The mango and
The
chili.
mango?
Yeah.
Oh, look what Jace got actually. A blue Fanta.
Oh my gosh. The thing is, what?
They had them all in the summer section.
I'm surprised it didn't go orange.
Well, because we've never tried the blue one.
That's true. I
So-
have. Man, you went ham.
I
Are
went.
those swim trunks right there?
Yeah.
Let me see them.
Jace picked these out. He really liked
Oh,
this
those are
pair.
fire.
Right?
Yeah.
$9.98, and Jace gets so tan.
Oh, he will get so tan. But I didn't think
Like,
all of
he
them.
also picked out this one.
Babe,
Oh,
I
no,
want
I
to make a
picked that.
bet. I bet I'm tanner than you by the time we come back from Florida.
Okay.
Put money on it.
Look at these.
Put money on it.
There's no way you can be more
I bet
tan
you
than me.
$100.
Yeah, because I stay out of the sun.
I bet you a $100 Ulta gift card.
If I tried to get tan, I will be so tan.
Girl.
But I stay out of the sun. Do you like these?
I do. Those are dope. I want some for myself, actually.
$9.98. They had some cool swim trunks for men. I ordered you all those ones from Amazon.
I like those too, though.
We can go look because you're definitely going to need more than 3. Jace picked out this outfit.
Oh, Mario Kart?
He said he liked the shorts. He was carrying it around too. And then it has the Mario on the shorts. This
We
one,
just watched that movie.
$11.98. Yeah, we went and watched it. It was good.
Oh, nice.
They had a PlayStation pair too that I tried to get him to get, but
Did you get Braden any swim trunks?
no, because he should have some that Jace had. He wanted a pair of Pokemon, but they didn't have his size.
Did you tell him?
I got in a wreck. It wasn't my fault. It was not my fault, okay? It was some young girl that turned into my lane from her lane. I was in the inside turning lane, and she was on the outside turning lane, and she turned into my lane.
She called me and she goes, I just got into a wreck. I said, what? She goes, I just got into a wreck.
It scared me because she was in a little car and she hit my big expedition. She almost hit herself. Like,
Well, she did hit herself.
well, no, but she almost like
Pinched the door closed?
yeah, she barely missed the driver's side door and got her back driver's side door. I'm like, oh my God, girl, pay attention. She saw this one, picked it out immediately and was like, I don't want you to put it in the basket. I'm gonna hold it. She is her mommy's daughter because I love bright colors and I love neon green and pink together. The pineapple embroidery is so cute, and this was $14.98. Ooh. It tastes like the lollipops.
Try that one.
Mmm.
That one's good.
Mmm.
I don't even want to try this one because I like that one.
I know, that one's really good.
That one's not bad too.
This one tastes like the lollipops too. You know which lollipops
I know
I'm
what
talking
you're
about?
Get my beer back.
Mmm.
Because that one, the mango one's my favorite one. I don't like
Mine is
you
the
talking about the
pineapple.
watermelon one with the
With the chili
spiciness?
on it? Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Are you gonna look at these dresses?
Oh, yes, sorry. I'm distracted by the beer.
We found this Elsa one. We also found another one. $15.98 for these. She's had a Belle one like this before that I found at Target. Walmart has them now too. These Granimals dresses. I got 3 of these. $6.98. Has pockets. Super cute. $11.98 for this one. They had a lot of Ariel stuff that was in this like beige mint green colorway. It was all so cute. Here's 2 more of the Granimals dresses that I got. They're the exact same dress, just different print. $6.98. I love this print. I think it's so cute. She actually has a little t-shirt in this print. This one was also $6.98. And I ended up sticking with the 3T on this brand because it kind of looked big in the 4T. So I feel like these do run true to size. Little rompers, $9.98 for the 2-pack. They had a whole bunch of different colors and prints on those. So this is one of the items that I actually had to go back and return for a bigger size. It's by the Modern Moments by Gerber brand, and it was $16, but it's like a linen fabric. They didn't have much of this brand out at my Walmart yet, but the other Walmart didn't have as much of those brands. We ended up finding Rapunzel, $15.98. I got these in a size up for her. I know she's gonna want to wear them forever. I also grabbed these Salon Perfect press-on nails. Cheers.
Cheers. Love you, babe.
Love you.
Love y'all.
I'm actually really liking these clip-ins. They weren't heavy. They didn't tangle much. They've been really comfortable to wear. They blend so well. I'm gonna give these a 10 out of 10 for 40 bucks. My hair does look a little bit longer, doesn't it? I just wanted to show y'all before I take off my makeup what the hair looks like when it comes out of my head, because sometimes it does kind of get tangled in each other. But honestly, these hair extensions were very comfortable to wear. I didn't feel tangly, and they actually look really good still. There is the second one. Yeah, these are not tangled at all. I actually like the amount of hair it is. It's not too heavy. I'm still shocked at that color match. Even Braden was like, your hair looks good today. I'm like, oh, thanks. Oh my gosh, I totally almost forgot. I have 2 really fun packages. I don't even know where to start. This is not what I expected it to be, but it is something that I've been eagerly awaiting. These are from DHGATE. Look at that. There is what the box looks like. Moment of truth. Oh my gosh. Has the 2 snap buttons. There is a little turn knob here, a button here, and on the bottom it's a charging port. They did also come with a charging cord. Look at that. Let's connect these. Hold button. There we go, connected. There's the controls. It gets loud. Wow, I'm very happy with these. They're very cushiony, soft. They look great. Actually, let me try Hey Siri with these on. It does show the connection. Hey Siri. Hey Siri. So it's not picking up Hey Siri. Babe, can you call my phone? I'm trying to test out these new AirPod Maxes. I want to see if it tells me if someone's calling while I'm listening to music. Yes. Hey. Okay, cool. Love you, bye. So it did answer my phone call, which is nice because I do use that feature a lot. Very satisfied with these. I have one more thing to show you before I go. I actually feel like I ordered these a long time ago and I just recently got them in. They're not packaged as good, but that's okay. Got a little bag here. Here is the It Girl shoe right now, I feel like. And I'm really loving these. I like how it has the smaller G's right here on the sole, but the bigger G's all around it. It does have this leather patch here. There is what the sole looks like. I definitely feel like they are true to size. I ordered my regular size at 36 in these and I feel like they fit great. They do have a little bit of a scent to them, but I'll just spray them down with some Febreze and yeah. I'm very happy with those. I've been binge watching the last 2 seasons of Vanderpump Rules because I'm trying to catch up on all the drama. So that's what I'm gonna go do. Maybe have me a little Modelo, my second one. We had a little girls' day today. I hope you had fun. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to hit that subscribe button down below to join the fam if you haven't already, and give this video a huge thumbs up. We'll leave the links to all of my favorite things that I've ordered from DHGATE recently, because the bag that I was carrying today is also from there, and also the earrings I had. I have another bag coming, which I thought was this. I will share that one as soon as I get it in. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.